Hello guys, this is Saiful Islam Shagor here, and this is the second video of EveryCircuit. In this video we will make some circuit and we will learn about some electronic component. So let's get started. Okay, this one is the artboard. First take a battery and a capacitor. We'll make a capacitor circuit here, and we need a load. Let's take the LM for the load. That's it. Yes, let's connect all together. Yep. And a switch. This one is for charging switch, and another one. Yes, this one is for discharge. Okay. Let's make it 5 volts. Yep. Let's play. Click here. When I click the button, it get charged. You see the plus and minus icon, that means it charge. And when I click here, it get discharge. Okay. Let's see this in oscilloscope. Click in the I button, and when I click, this get charged, and you see oscilloscope shown us that is charged, and when I click is discharge. Click is discharge. The curve is for the capacitance. Let's increase it for the timing. Make it 10 microfarad, and when I it get charged, and when I click is get discharged for a long time because of the capacitance. If you increase the capacitance, the delay time will be increased. Capacitor done. Okay, now it's time to make a circuit using diode, and take a voltage source like that, and we need a diode, of course, and rotate and connect all these three together. That's it. And we need a load. Take the lamp and connect this together. Okay, that's it. And now we need to increase the voltage. Make it 3.5. Okay, that's okay. Let's play. You see it's working because the diode is in forward bias. Okay, let's flip it and play again. Diode is not working because it's in its reverse bias. The positive to cathode and negative to anode. Make it right again. Okay, that's it. Okay, let's see in oscilloscope what's happening, and click here. You see there is a voltage drop because the diode make a voltage drop here. I think it's 0.7. Okay, let's see the diode in sine wave. Okay, click here and change the amplitude to 3.5. I think it's okay. And frequency, make it slower. Okay. You see, now we can see the diode, and in input there is a full wave in the blue one, and in the output, the green one, only the positive cycle here. That's how diode works, and you can change and see something. Now is for relay circuit. Take a relay and connect. Yep. And a voltage source for powering the relay. Connect it with this inductor side. Yep. Or coil, you can say. And we need a output. Where is the LED? Yep. 2, and rotate it like that. And okay, and make a connection with the voltage source like this, and ground. Okay, now it need to be at last 2 volt for the LED. Yeah. You see there is a must release voltage is 200 milliampere. Let's change it to 2 volt. Yep, and everything is okay. That means you must need 3.5 to control. Okay, that's it. And let's play. When the voltage is 1 volt, the lower LED is turned on. If I make it upper than the 3.5, it will change. Let's see. You see, it changed. Okay, let's change the LED wavelength to red. And if I may decrease the voltage to 2 volt, then it should change in 2 volts. Yeah, you see, the green one is low. Okay, enough of analog circuit. Let's move to digital. For that we need a AND gate and a load, and connect like that, and input source to actually okay, AND gate is working like that, you see in the side. Let's play the AND gate. For output, the both inputs should turn on. You see, the LED turn low. Let's change the LED voltage to let's change the LED voltage to 3. Okay, good. Okay, that's how the AND gate work. Okay, let's connect a NOT gate in the output side. Give a side lamp. Because of the NOT gate, it should work like NAND gate, and that means the both is off, output is on. When both is on, output is off, same like NAND gate. Okay, there is a NAND gate also, check it out. There is this mini component available for digital circuit, check it out. Now let's make a clock. Okay, first take a 7 segment, and we need a encoder. And where is it? Okay, connect it like that. Okay, now take a pulse here and connect it to the upside. That means it will count in upside. 1, 2, 3. That means it's going upside. And let's change it out. Let's connect it to down. Let's play. You see F, E, C, B. Okay, let's make the pulse little bit faster. I think it's working. Okay, 9, 8, 7, 6. That means it's counting to the backward. Okay, goodbye for now. If this video helped you anyway, please make a comment and subscribe. And if there anything I can make, and if you need, make a comment. I will definitely check it out. And be safe and be happy.